Hey chocolaties, it's chocolate day and we are serving up a look as sweet as your favorite treat. Start with a smooth canvas using your favorite moisturizer. Say bye bye to the dark circles with a little concealer magic. Even it out, foundation gives you that flawless base. Lock it in. Setting powder keeps your look picture perfect. Add a pop of blush for that chocolate kiss glow. Brighten up. Dab concealer on your upper eyelid for extra radiance. Define those eyes. Line your waterline with kohl and blend to smudge. Chocolate Symphony. Blend brown eyeshadow for a rich, delicious dip. Define your crease with a lighter shade, adding dimension. Line your lower lash and smudge some more eyeshadow. Remember to define your brows. Highlighter make your cheekbones dance like sprinkle on fudge. The grand finale. Choose your perfect chocolate shade of lipstick and own it. Hair flip and you're ready. Remember to save it and share it with your friends. Happy Chocolate Day! Bye!